Hello everyone, welcome to ET Studios, and today we're having a look at making some rockets, potassium nitrate and sugar, standard little sugar rockets, and it should be quite interesting. Hopefully we can get that going nicely. A little bit of a short video, but hopefully you enjoy. It should be quite fun, and hopefully we can get these working. I know we've had a couple bad attempts in the past. But hopefully we can get something going in the air today. So this is our current grand creation. It's got a little thing on the end, so we can make it look like a rocket, and also so it actually might act as a nozzle. So we have directed flames. A little bit heavy, but hopefully it's not too bad. The fuel itself is heavier than that, so should be fine. We have a tiny little cork on the end, which was hammered in there so it stays, some tape and a skewer to hold it in, and we'll try and launch it. Hopefully it works this time. This thing better go. Come on. I'm now running back to try and get another spark plug so we can light the stupid thing, because it wasn't far enough up the first time. Hopefully we can get a successful launch though. Target acquired. Going through the bushes. By the way, if you're doing this, I highly recommend doing it in a slightly more open area. Alright, let's hope it launches. Come on. So this was actually a success, partial success at least. We did get it going up in the air, although this piece did fall off, as you can see in the video, but it's definitely better than some of our past attempts. And hopefully next time we can just get this thing solidified in there nicely. We do want to be able to take them out again and use them in a different one, because obviously we can't use this thing again because it's a bit melted and it's actually changed shape. So we'll have to use a different one, but these I'd like to reuse obviously, because we can't just go and buy a new one every time we launch. So hopefully we can do one more launch today and it'll be a bit higher.